All right, we are at the Springhill Suites, Roanoke North, and we are going to go check out a hotel room here. My friend is staying here, so we're going to go upstairs and check it out. This is the elevator, TK. I believe he's in room 414. If I can find it. So with that being said, we're gonna check out this room. This is a single king room. RFID lock. And this is what you see when you enter the room. Of course, interior corridor. As you walk in the room, you are greeted with your coffee maker, microwave, and refrigerator. Microwave is clean. Fridge is clean. There's Matt and Zach sitting on the furniture. You have this basically coffee table slash footstool with something on top of it. We're not going to get it out, but there is a sleeper bed underneath here, and this is a pretty moderately large sized couch. This hotel is only 6 months old, so as you can tell, it's very, very modern looking. Some may like it, some may dislike it, but I like the open floor plan here. This is kind of like a suite with an open floor plan. I kind of find it kind of cool. I mean, some suites have a total separate room, some are like this, so this is definitely different. Over here, you have a desk light, several outlets over there. It's just a piece of dust. And look at, oh, I just noticed this. You can partition this off. This can be partitioned off. So yeah, you can partition the room off. So I do like that. And then I guess just gently slide this and it'll grab the other one. That's actually that's a neat way of partitioning. And this is the bed area. You got a telephone there. Let's look in the nightstand. Have the Good Book and the Book of Mormon. I like seeing other denominations incorporated. Over here, you have nothing. GE PTAC unit. And it's a wall-mounted thermostat, which is right over there. Let's look at the view out the window. And as always, you give you the parking lot. Now, at the end of the room, you have a closet. It's not quite walk-in, but it's a decent-sized closet. There's extra bedding, I assume, for the hide-a-bed. And there's a shirt in the closet. I assume that's Matt's. This bathroom is really interesting. You have this huge mirror with, watch this, LED lighting, and it's heated so it won't fog up. That's pretty cool. To your right, you have what you find in all modern hotels, a stand-up shower. I personally miss having a bathtub, but modern hotels don't have bathtubs anymore. You have a, not quite sure what kind of shower head this is, but I've seen it in many hotels. The pressure is adequate, and over there is the amenities you have. It's got the towels and stuff are here in this counter space underneath the counter. And in here you have the toilet. Let's see if it's clean. The toilet appears to be clean. It's an American standard. Let's make sure it flushes properly. It does. Now we're going to come back into the room. Zach, lay on the bed and tell me how it feels.
Oh, am I doing it?
Just tell me how the bed feels.
It feels like I could sleep.
Is it comfortable? Is it firm? How is it?
It's like a good shirt.
Now, speaking of the bed, this is where a lot of hotels hide their dirty little secrets. Let's see if the Springhill Suites in Roanoke, Virginia is hiding any dirty little secrets. Under the first layer, obviously, where it's really important, it's clean, no hairs like the Marriott in Detroit. All right, now this is where it can get really nasty. In a 6-month-old hotel, I would hope not, but okay, under this layer, immaculate. Now the last layer, if this is zippered on, no, that's not zippered on, it comes off. All right. We have just a couple small hairs over here, nothing serious. One hair, that's acceptable. That's acceptable.
Oh, here's a long hair. Look at this.
Just one hair? Just one? That's acceptable. It's not immaculate, but it's acceptable. This might be zippered on. Yeah, it's zippered on, so for the most part, it definitely passes my cleanliness test. There's no really nasty stains or no excessive amount of hair, because at the end of the day, it's impossible. It's almost impossible to get all the hairs off the beds. But so, how much did you pay for this room?
$104 for one night.
And honestly, on a Friday night in Roanoke, that's not bad. It's not bad at all, considering this. I mean, it's a 6-month-old hotel, brand new. And you also have these little lights here I forgot to show. Little reading lights, they're adjustable. So yeah, from what I can see, this definitely looks like a pretty nice property. And
also, this TV pulls out and you can angle it towards both the bed and the couch so you can get a good viewing angle. So I like that.
that's cool. It even has his name up there. That's pretty cool.
I think all Marriott properties do that.
So yeah, the bed, I've definitely seen a lot worse, but like I said, it's acceptable. So with that being said, thank you, Matt, for bringing us in here.
You're welcome.
And I hope you enjoyed it, and that'll be it. Uh-oh, the video's over, but it doesn't have to be. You can always watch more, and you know what to do. And don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye, y'all.